We all started out the same, clueless but curious. First introduces us to a world of creativity and engineering, a world where like-minded students are able to explore passions that no other organization nurtures. First teaches problem solving and inspires independence. Most of all, First encourages student success, but not through awards or status. Instead, First encourages success through perseverance and self-knowledge, teaching important life skills that students can carry with them forever. First takes curious minds and supports them in a way that inspires students to keep growing and improving. More than that, First demonstrates what it means to be a gracious professional in any environment, whether it be in robotics or in a professional setting. First creates a space of discovery and fun, bringing communities from around the world together. First takes curiosity and turns it into a world of potential. Since 2008, the First Tech Challenge has continuously fostered all the core values of First in the next generation of innovators. This is why the First Tech Challenge works.